Hello, in front of me I've got MOZA Racing Simulation R5 set. In this video I'll show you how to perform wheelbase, reset and calibration. In the beginning, let's go to MOZA Pithouse app and now enter settings. Enter the reset and calibration and select wheelbase, reset and calibrate. Confirm. And now, follow next steps. Unplug the steering wheel, press Start Calibration, base parameter backup in progress. Base parameter reset will automatically restart. Wheelbase inspection, wheelbase calibration, cogging torque calibration. After this process, wheelbase will be reset and calibrated. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.